teacher, good day. So in this video, I will to make a short explication about the methodology, didactics, and pedagogy, and comparing a table or if of them and which methodology, according to my research, is good for teaching English language. So let's start. What is the methodic? The methodology is the teacher's thought that allows you to determine a step by step that you should follow to translate it into a class planning, which will allow the teacher to make the students learn what they want to teach in the satisfactory way. And what is didactic? It is a branch of methodology that is defined as the concrete way to teach it. It helps us to train it, the mind context, to the students that the final objective of the teacher can be met, which is to correctly transmit two concepts. What's the pedagogy? Pedagogy is defined as the method used to the classroom to teach. The object of pedagogy is to plan, analyze, develop, and evaluate teaching and learning process. So the table comparative is method, strategic, procedure, according with planning by the teacher. Help the student learn. Activities designed for each group of students. They must be conscious and thoughtful, teaching and learning, and make students learn. Didactics is discipline that students teaching practices. The art of the teaching. Take advantage of the gain for understanding. Use the student's sense ability, appropriate learning pace for the child. Pedagogy is knowing practice theory. Find activities that are interesting, motivational activities, facilitate and social practice, and the scientist relation of the education. After that, there are two traditional pedagogies. The first is the traditional and the second is the active. For me, in my primary school, is the traditional pedagogy where the students only learn but don't say anything more. Okay, so this is the difference between method, didactics, and pedagogy. So now the question is, what is the methodology I used? So I check in internet, I read some articles, I read websites, and some methodologies. I check one that I think I always use in my class. What is this methodology? It's the structure or audio-lingual or methodology. Why? Because in my class, I always use grammar, vocabulary, and translation techniques. For me, it's important the speaking, but it's more important the grammar. Because you know the grammar, you can speak. You know the vocabulary, you can speak. And you can translate text, and you can understand English. So the imitation process of memorizes is mechanic ability. So for me, I think it's more important this methodology in my classes. Okay, so this is my short video. I hope you understand my methodology and thanks for listening. Bye teacher, thank you so much.